Hi, I'm going to walk you through how to get started on this Excel data analytics project. So you see the assignment in MyLab, you click on it, it's going to bring up a window, and that window has three parts. So let me see if I can resize it. The first thing is you'll see the steps you need to follow. Now, the first step is to review the video. I would click on that, open it, and leave it open. Just stop it. You're going to need it in a minute, so have that there. Then you're going to download the Excel data file. So click on that, and what's going to happen is it's going to bring up a big window, and your virus scanner may scan the file to make sure it's okay, and you'll see it doesn't appear to do anything. It is, but what you need to do is you need to resize the window. So what I'm going to do, I'm using Chrome here. I'm just going to make it much smaller, bring it back in here, and look down at the bottom. There's our file. That's our Excel file. So if I open that up, I will have my Excel file. This project starts with the file in Excel. And the other thing you need to do once you get that is you need to click on Enable Editing. If you don't enable editing, you're not going to be able to do anything. So enable editing, and then I'm going to minimize that to get it out of my way right now. I can close this window. And now what I have done, so I have that video started off to the side, I have the Excel file, and then if you click on the requirement file, it's going to show you all the steps you're going to go through. Now that video from step 1, that tells you how to do each step. So that's why you need the data file and the video. And then you can check your work when you're done with the check figures. Do that before you do anything else. And then you answer the Excel questions. Now, the resources you have. The first resource tells you how to update Excel in Office 365. You do need the latest version for some of the features, so go ahead and update your Office 365. If you don't have Office 365, there's a link for how to get it for free. It tells you about the data column headings, the data column descriptions, and then finally there's a troubleshooting FAQ. This is based on common issues that students run into when doing these projects, and this is the solutions for each of those. So once you have watched the video and done the steps in the data file, so you have the video open and the data file open, going through all the steps, once you check your answers with check figures, then come down here to all the questions. Now the questions, you use your Excel file to answer. And when you've answered all the questions, you will see down here a final check button that will be blue. It'll be dark. Right now I can't do it because I haven't answered all the questions. You need to answer all the questions to have that become dark. Now, if you do it, if you do have another attempt allowed to you, once you finish it, do your final check, then you will see a button down here in the same place saying similar exercise. And you can click on that, and the important thing to know is your data file will be different. You cannot use the same data file for a second attempt or for a different exercise. So that's it. I hope that helped. Have a great day.